Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So do you want to create a high converting landing page on Wix, whether it's for leads, sales, or signs up? I'll show you step by step how to design a professional, optimized landing page. So let's get right into it. Log into your Wix and click Create a new site. Select a business or landing page as your category. Choose a minimalist template. Clean designs convert better. So now let's build your landing page. Remove any extra pages, you only need to focus on one. Click Edit Site and add a put headline, make it clear and benefit driven. Use eye-catching images or videos to grab attention. Add a strong call to action button like sign up or get started now. Keep your layout simple like use 2 to 3 colors and a readable font. And for maximize conversions, use short persuasive copy, add social proof, include late capture, and ensure your page is mobile friendly because over 50% of the users are from mobile. Now, let's launch your landing page and track results. Click Publish to go live. Go to Settings and then to SEO to customize and optimize your page. Use Wix Analytics and Google Analytics to track visitor behavior and conversions. Now, that's it. With a clean design, strong copy, and a clear CTA, you'll have a high converting Wix landing page in no time. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.